dryer, and this little pin broke off here that keeps the door closed. So it seems like it was just two plastic pieces coming out of the door itself, and then they get fastened with these screws on that side. First, I think what we're going to do is we're going to take the whole door off. Should not be too difficult. Probably just take these screws off, and I think it will come off. Let me check. These three screws, they're all the same size. When you do that, you can take off this plastic part, and then the whole door is loose and can be taken off. So it's quite easy actually. Okay, taking one of these off, one of these little extensions off. I can see that an M5 bolt is going to fit nicely through that hole there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print myself two new spacers with a inside diameter that will allow the bolt to go through, and the thickness doesn't really matter. Probably going to make it about 1.5 millimeters thick on each side on the radius, and then I'm going to drill through the door from the front, or well, I'm going to drill from this side, and then we're going to stick this straight through and tighten it on this side with a nut. Let's see how that goes. and it's the same length as that one, so I think it will be great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drill through the door on that side, and then I can put the bracket back on. Okay, drill 2 holes through here. As you can see, 5mm M5 bolts goes nicely through there. Then we put our spacer in, and then the bracket. So now all we need to do is saw off the bolt so that it is not too long. The way we're going to do that is with a hacksaw. But remember, when we saw through a bolt, first put the nut on, then you saw off, and then you can take the nut out again so that the nut will straighten the thread again that you messed up with the saw. Okay, all that is needed now is to put the door back on. That's it. There you go. Thanks for watching.